Podcast people, how are you today? I am Catlady Antigoni and today we are doing a gothic girl makeup. Have you seen all the cool eyeliners that are here and there these days on the internet? So yes, I was inspired by them and I decided to do my own version of goth makeup but incorporate some girly elements like pink colors and stuff like that in order to show my dual personality, because yes, I am a goth person, but I enjoy cute things and I enjoy pink, to be honest. So having this dress, which is a Christmas gift from my boyfriend, I decided to do my own version of any girl makeup, you know, with the bold lines and stuff like that. So if you're ready to see this, let's start! Before I do anything, I start with my headpiece. I bought it from Shein for Halloween. If you haven't seen this haul, I will leave it around here, you can find it. And I have already primed my eyes with this one right here. This is from Urban Decay Primer Potion. Also, today we are trying new brushes. This collection right here. This is from BH, the Christmas collection, which came into this pretty cool bag, I would say, because although that it is red and I don't like red, this is red glitter. So I find it very unique. I like the bag. Let's try the brushes to tell you my opinion about the brush as well, because I think that this is the important part. For a start, I'm gonna use this palette right here. This is from Beauty Babe, the pastels, of course. And I will go with Euphoria, that pink right here, because I wanna make sure that yes, I'm gonna use bold colors and bold pinks, but I want to be sure that I will not have lines and everything will be well blended. So, let's start! Obviously, I haven't finished with the eyes, but I decided to continue with my rest of the face, because then I'm planning to take the eyeshadow a little bit out, and if I don't do it now, then it's gonna be too late to apply foundation. So, for today, I decided to make my skin a lot lighter. For this reason, I'm gonna use this foundation right here. This is from Men Matte Oil Control. Like, it says oil control, it has my soul already. I know that this is kinda too light for my skin tone, because it's the zero, yeah, it's a zero light ivory, so of course it's way too light, but that's what I want for today. So I'm taking this amount, I'm gonna see how it's gonna be on my skin, if I need more or less. And then, of course, I will take it down to the neck to make the difference as less obvious as possible. I don't promise that it will be exactly the same with my neck, but I will do my best. Okay? Let's do it. Not bad. I remember it way more lighter than my skin tone, so I think it's very good now. What's your opinion? What do you say about it? Do you like it? So, if you don't know, Lumen is a Finnish, cruelty-free, of course it's cruelty-free, and vegan brand. And this is the Matte Oil Control Foundation. And now I'm gonna continue with concealer. Can't stop, won't stop from NYX. I'm not sure about the shade of this concealer, because I feel that's gonna be a little bit dark, but if it is the case, I'm gonna fix it, don't worry. Okay, I finished with my base, so now I'm gonna go to this palette. This is from Melina for Sale War Paint. And I will take this pink color, Not Your Babe, a very nice fluffy brush, and I'm gonna finish my eyes. Okay, I feel that I have finished with the eye part, and now I'm gonna start doing eyeliner. For this, I'm gonna use from NYX the Epic Ink eyeliner right here. It's a very nice black one, you have seen it a lot of times on my videos, so yeah, why not one more time? I think that the eyeliner gave this goth element that I wanted, and I feel that it's going somewhere now, the whole look. Now I'm gonna continue with some spider webs, and the idea is to create, you know, 3 lines, not parallel, and then I will connect them with the actual web, which is gonna be eyeliner. Again, the same eyeliner. I don't know if you wanna see a tutorial about how I'm doing my eyeliner, I mean with details, why I'm doing what I'm doing and everything, because usually I'm doing it in time-lapse, so maybe it's not that clear for you. Okay, so let's go to the spider web, and if you want a tutorial, don't forget to write a comment down below. Okay, as you can see, my webs are pretty much ready. And for those of you who understood, I made a mistake at the beginning. Instead of doing this shape of the web, I did this shape, the smile shape. It is not correct. So what I did was, first of all, to take a wet wipe and clean the eyeliner from my eye area, and then I applied concealer in order to make sure that I don't have any leftovers from the eyeliner, and then after that I apply the pink color, and then again concealer, and then again color, in order to make sure that I will not have any differences in the color, that it will not be obvious. That's what I wanted to say anyway. So that's a way to correct your mistakes. Maybe next time I will do a devoted video about the eyeliner, and I will do some mistakes on purpose in order to show you how to correct them, because this is pretty much the same way of thinking and way of acting in this case of mistakes. And now I'm going to the next step, which is to draw some hearts at the connection of the webs. So again, I'm taking my eyeliner and I will go. And with this I have finished the basic part of today's makeup. Now I will use the same eyeshadows there on my nose, and then I will draw a tiny little heart, or maybe I will do the heart first and then I will kinda highlight it with the pink shades. Let's go, let's see. Now I will take a tiny brush from the 8, like this one, which has an angle in the end, so it's super helpful. And I will go to the darkest pink that I have, which is from the Utopia palette. I have used this palette, if you haven't noticed. This is again from Beauty Bay, and the shade is called Bliss. Right here, it's super vibrant, super intense. I love it. I love the whole palette, to be honest. But I didn't have time, or I didn't think to use it that much. Anyway, today is that palette's day. So I will go to the heart and I will try to do, you know, the line, but a little bit outside the line with the pink. Now, after I cleaned the inside part of the heart a little bit, I will go for this one right here, Not Your Babe, which is a lighter pink, and I will go outside the dark pink. And now with the lightest pink, this one right here, again Beauty Bay and Pastels, the Euphoria shade, I will blend everything out. Now I will go one more time with my eyeliner to make sure that my lines are intense enough, and maybe I will do something extra. I'm not sure yet. I want to see how it will look after the eyeliner. With a clean brush, I'm gonna take some concealer and I'm gonna place it at the inside part of the heart to make sure that it's super clean and nice. Now I'm gonna take the shade Bleach from this palette right here, and I will put a little bit of bleach under my eyebrow area here and there, and a little bit on the top of my nose, because I want to do the same procedure here. Like I will start with the dark pink, I will fade out until the lightest. So, same colors, same procedure again. I was thinking to keep this look monochromatic, but I decided to contour my face a little bit with a very nice pastel purple, lilac. This one right here, it's called Daydream, and this is from the Pastels palette. I will take a white brush, like this one right here. This is a highlighting brush from Real Techniques. I will go to this shade and just bring it a little bit here. And now it's time for the Greek word of the day. Obviously, for today, I decided to tell you the word for web because I have two webs on my face today. So, in Greek, we say istos. Say with me, istos, istos. As always, I'm gonna ask you to try to write a comment down below using the word istos. Let's see your creativity. Now it's time for the lips. So for today, I will go with a new product. This is Even Lip Pencil from We Makeup, and I will just apply some color here in the middle, not on my whole lips, because I want to create the effect of big lips. So you will see what I'm doing. I find it kinda warm, so I will finish it with this lilac lip pencil. This is from Wycon Makeup, all the Italian brands on my lips today. Now on the top, I'm gonna apply the same pink eyeshadow that I have applied on my face. Be careful, we don't eat eyeshadows. As a last step, I will apply some gloss on my lips to make them shiny. And for today I chose this one. This is from a Greek indie brand which is called Glossy. And you might think that it's gonna be red, but nope, it's gonna be very nice, close to clear. So I feel that I will have in general a very nice pink-ish. And that was it for today. I would be very happy if you write down in the comments what's your opinion about this makeup and in general this type of makeups which are not body paint but they are not wearable as well. So yeah, please write a comment down below. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to this channel for more content. Also, I have Instagram, people. On Instagram I'm doing like some unboxing, some Q&As and some stuff that I cannot really do here on YouTube, so why not go and follow me there as well. My Instagram is Catlady Antigoni and it will be down here, like always. I hope the editor do not do any surprise like putting it there or here. Anyway, that's it about Instagram. Again, thank you so much for being here with me today. See you next time. Until then, bye!